Hello guys, today's video is about how to achieve this easy eye makeup look, and I have created this makeup look with the Miniso palette. For achieving this look, first you have to remove all the older makeup if you have applied any, and after that moisturize your eyes and apply foundation and a concealer. I have already done that step. Now I'm actually filling my eyebrows. I'm not doing much, I'm just filling a bit. I don't like unnatural eyebrows, and the palette I'm using is by Miniso and it has shade 3. This is the first shade that I will apply. This shade will work as a base and I will apply it all over my eyes because we are preparing a canvas in which we can throw the colors and the colors can pop out. So this color will actually work as a base, and you can see I'm applying it all over my eyes. The palette which I'm using, it has actually 4 colors, and I will create this eye makeup look with only 3 colors. So it's a very easy and handy palette. Now I'm using the second color, which I will use as a transition color, and I will apply this color on my crease. So close your eyes and place the brush on the crease, and this brush is, by the way, is from Bodyshop. And what I'm doing, I'm applying from outward to inward. So first you have to apply to the outward, and then you can drag the shade towards inward, and then I will apply on the side of my eyes, not much but a bit, so it will actually gives the base for this third color which we will apply on the side of our eyes. So this is how I do my makeup. I'm not expert, but I really love how the colors they go when you do in this way. And I'm applying on the other side too simultaneously, because it's very good if you apply on the both sides at the same time, so you can see where you are creating some problem. This was not blended, so what I'm doing, I'm blending it very well. Every time whenever I use the same brush, I clean it properly, so you have to do the same if you're using the same brush. So I'm blending it. Now I will use this color and I will add this color at the side, or basically at the end of my eyes. I'm using this brush. This brush is actually easy to apply. I really like whenever I have to make some angles, I use this brush. It's very easy, trust me. If you're a beginner, just use this brush and it will actually help you to create any look. And now I'm applying this. I haven't taken much, but because of that we have already created a base for this eyeshadow. I have to apply it a bit, and you can see it's there. And now I will apply on the other side too. It's actually quite difficult to apply on that eye. I don't know what's the reason, and I was having some difficulty where to look, either on the camera or on the mirror. That's why I'm just blinking a lot, but hopefully you will not blink because you will do it on the mirror. So what I'm going to do, I have applied. Now I will actually blend this one. I have again cleaned my brush, so there is no eyeshadow of previous eyeshadow, and I'm also dragging it on the previous crease shadow, which was the transition shade. I actually like it when the colors, they are actually very well blended. I really love the blending, and it's the key. When your makeup look, it's actually look really good. If you do not do blending, it will really look bad. So we will do the blending. Do it in a lighter, with the lighter hand. Maybe it's looking hard, but I'm doing it very lighter way. Now I will use the pencil. You can take any pencil. The pencil I'm taking, it's from Bodyshop, and I really love that pencil. It's brown color. So what I will do, I will actually make a V to the outer side of my eye, and you can see I'm not dragging it to the whole eye, but I'm just making a V. Why I'm doing it? Because I want a soft makeup but a glamorous one, and which you can carry every day, either to your university, work, or on a job interview. You can easily carry this look and you will not look bad, trust me. So now I'm applying on the other side of my eye, and it's okay if the both are not equal, one is thick and other is thin, we will smudge it. Why I like this pencil? Because it has some smudger at the back, at the end of the pencil, and if you don't have that sort of pencil, you can simply take the q-tip and you can actually smudge it. Now I'm smudging this liner I actually like this look because it's very soft and glamorous. So we have to smudge it, and we will drag the makeup, the pencil we have applied, we will drag the same color to all over our eyes. So it will give the glamorous plus the soft look. So you can see how I am doing, and I will repeat the same step on the other side. It's actually quite difficult, and sorry it's out of focus because I could not see where I'm looking at that moment. And I'm applying, I'm trying to make it softer and equal, so they should not look bad. Now I think my both eyes, they have the same color on the both side, and I'm just trying to finish everything. The next step I will do, I will take the two colors which I have already applied, like those, the vanilla one and the a bit sort of reddish, or I don't know, orange one. They don't have the name of color, and I will mix them and I will apply on at the end of my eyes, or underneath my eyes actually. Some people they apply it before, but somehow I thought that it would look more good, or it will actually soften the look we are already creating it. I will I will end this look with the mascara, which is by Maybelline, and you can see I'm actually applying a layer of mascara, so my eyelashes would look more bigger. And I'm not applying any artificial eyelashes. If you want, you can apply, it will actually give it a more glamorous look. So this is a very easy and achievable look. If you like this video, please comment below and let me know if you want me to make more eye makeup tutorial videos I can make. Subscribe my channel. Bye bye.